In this video, I will show you some quick and effective tricks to delete blank rows in Excel. If your data set is small and blank rows are clearly visible, deleting them is easy. But when you are working with large data set, finding and removing blank rows manually can be time consuming and error prone. Let's look at the best methods to handle both the situations quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. We will use this dataset for the purpose of deleting blank rows. As you can see, dataset is very small and blank rows are clearly visible. I will show you two tricks. First one is using filter. So just select data. If we directly apply filter by pressing Ctrl Shift L, Excel will apply filter on this much data only and ignore data after blank rows. So we need to select complete data while applying filter. I have selected complete data. Now I am pressing Ctrl Shift L. Now select any column from drop down, uncheck select all and click blanks. Click OK. Now we have all blank rows selected. Select the 3 rows and press Alt H D R to delete the blank rows and press Ctrl Shift L again to show the complete data. I am using same data for second trick. In this case, as blank rows are common in all columns, select any column and press F5 or Ctrl G. This go to window will appear. Here click S special or just type S. Now type K or select blanks and click OK. Now Excel has selected blank rows for you. Now press again Alt H D R to delete the blank rows or just press Ctrl minus and then select entire row and click OK and done. In this data set, blank rows are not clearly visible. Which column to select? I have considered only 9 columns, but in real world it may be 100 or more columns. So in such cases, add one more column. I have entered count and apply the formula count A and select the complete row. And now drag your formula. Now as we have applied formula in all the cells, now select this column and press Ctrl Shift L. And from count column, uncheck select all and select 0. These are the blank rows. Again select, press Alt H D R or Ctrl minus to delete the blank rows. Again Ctrl Shift L and now we can delete this extra column or helper column. For final example, I have taken very large data and in this case also it is difficult to recognize blank rows. Now we will try to develop VBA code based on logic we have used in last trick. So to write VBA code, press Alt F11 and in module 1 we will update our VBA code here. Let me write option explicit. When we write option explicit, we are supposed to declare all the variables. First of all, let me name our sub delete blank rows. Now I am declaring our variable. First one is dim last row as long, data type is long, and dim I as long for iteration. Now let us find out value of last row. We need to delete blank rows from active sheet, so we will use active sheet dot used range dot row, then plus active sheet dot used range dot rows. We have added first row twice, so we will do -1, add -1. So this is our last row. Now we will loop through from last row to first row and check whether count A, what we have used in our third trick, is 0, then delete the row, otherwise left and move ahead. So I will use for loop for I. We have declared I is equal to last row to 1, step -1. And next, now here we will write if application count A rows I is equal to 0, then rows I dot entire row dot delete and if. So this is a simple code. Now we will test our code, but one suggestion: whenever you test your code, please save your workbook first or try it in some simple workbook. Let me go to data and run the code. Developer macro delete blank rows run. I get some error. Active set used range row plus active set used range rows -1. I have missed count here. Yes. Now it should work now. Again debug. Sorry, here I again missed counter. Now it is working. And if we check, it has deleted all the blank rows. I hope this trick helps you clean your Excel data faster and work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to Number Crunching with Rajesh for more such Excel tips and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.